Features: 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. This camera boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which allows you to capture high-resolution and detailed images, making it suitable for a wide range of photography styles. ISO range: with an ISO range of 100640, expandable to H.12800, the EOS Rebel T7 excels in various lighting conditions, including low-light situations. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Stay connected and share your photos instantly with the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, which allows for seamless wireless file transfer and remote shooting capabilities. 9-point AF system. The camera features a 9-point autofocus system, which ensures that your subjects are sharply focused, making it an excellent choice for capturing fast-moving subjects. AI Servo AF. The AI Servo AF mode provides continuous focusing, making it ideal for shooting moving subjects, such as sports or wildlife. Optical viewfinder. The optical viewfinder offers approximately 95% coverage, giving you a clear and accurate representation of the scene you're capturing. Compatible lenses. The kit includes an EFS 18 to 55mm lens, and it's also compatible with a wide range of Canon EF lenses, expanding your creative options. Used as a webcam, you can utilize the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, available for Mac and Windows, to transform your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam for video conferencing and content creation. Shutter speed. The camera's maximum shutter speed is 30 seconds, allowing you to create long exposure shots, while the minimum shutter speed is January 400 seconds for fast action photography. Design. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is designed as a DSLR camera, providing a traditional and ergonomic grip, making it comfortable for extended shooting sessions. Package options. You can purchase the camera with just the 18 to 55mm lens for $479, or opt for the package that includes both the 18 to 55mm and 55 to 250mm lenses for $778. Note on international use. Please be aware that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use due to differences in outlets and voltage. Check compatibility before purchasing if you plan to use it outside of the United States. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts who want a reliable and capable camera for a variety of shooting scenarios, from everyday photography to more specialized tasks. Its combination of features and the included lenses makes it a versatile option for capturing high-quality images and full HD videos. If you are interested in it, you can collect the camera by clicking on the link given in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.